In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a thumbs up in Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a meeting or just an attendee, reacting with a thumbs up can be a great way to show your participation or agreement without interrupting the speaker. Let's walk through the process together so you can seamlessly incorporate this into your next virtual meeting. To get started, let's navigate to Google. From your preferred web browser, enter the Google homepage. This is where you have access to a multitude of apps and services provided by Google. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You should see an icon resembling a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. Once the menu appears, find and click on the option labeled Meet. Google Meet is a straightforward platform, making it a great tool for virtual meetings. After clicking Meet, you'll be directed to the Google Meet homepage. Here, on the left side, you'll see an option to start a meeting. Clicking on this will provide a few options for starting your session. Next, click on New Meeting. This allows you to start a meeting immediately or schedule one for later. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's select Start an Instant Meeting. This is the quickest way to dive right into Google Meet and practice giving a thumbs up. Once your meeting starts, you'll enter a virtual room with some key features at the bottom of your screen. Now, focus your attention on the Send a Reaction feature, which is a fun, interactive way to engage within the meeting. Locate the small smiley face icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon allows you to react to what's happening during the meeting. After clicking on it, you'll see a series of reaction options, including our goal, the thumbs up icon. The thumbs up is universally recognized as a gesture of approval or agreement, so it's quite useful in a meeting to show consensus or a positive response. Click on the thumbs up icon, and just like that, your reaction will be displayed for everyone in the meeting to see. It's a simple yet effective way to communicate non-verbally. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily show a thumbs up in Google Meet to indicate your agreement or support. This feature helps maintain a flow in meetings without interruptions. I hope you found this tutorial useful and can now enjoy an engaging and interactive experience in your next virtual meeting. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy meeting!